Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit with multiple layers in CapCut to level up your video creativity and storytelling. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut and create a new project. Then here import your main video or background footage and this will be your base layer. Then to add more layers, tap on overlay and select another video, photo or sticker, and you can repeat this to add many layers as you like. Then, after that, tap each layer to resize, move, or rotate it. You can place them anywhere on the screen. This is perfect for reaction videos, pops up, or side by side edits. And make sure that your layers come to life by using animation, blending modes, or opacity settings. This adds more depth and style to your video. And that's how you edit with multiple layers in CapCut. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.